Amina says, I'm 14 years old. Can I hide things that are not haram from my parents? I only want not to talk everything to them. The answer is yes. As children, we're not supposed to go and tell our parents every single thing that we had done at school or what we have done in our rooms. This is not logical. There are secrets. People come to me and tell me secrets. I cannot disclose such secrets with my parents, even if they tell me. Anas ibn Malik, may Allah be pleased with him, said that the Prophet ﷺ sent me on an errand and he told me to do something. So I was late, and then I came back home, and my mom said, why are you late? His mother is Sulaym, may Allah be pleased with her. So he said that I was doing something for the Prophet ﷺ. So she said, what were you doing? Anas, who was like 12, 13 years old, he said, this is a secret. Sulaym said, do not disclose the Prophet's secret ﷺ to anyone. Look at how this Muslim home is upbringing the children. Instead of beating him, to talk and confess of the secret that you are so eagerly anticipating, she strengthens his iman. Don't tell anyone. Anas says to Thabit al-Bunani, may Allah be pleased with Anas and have mercy on Thabit. He said, Thabit, you are a close disciple of mine. By Allah, if I had told any soul, I would have told you what was that secret. So you are entitled to keep secrets. You are entitled not to tell and disclose anything to them, and Allah knows.